Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just woke up, so what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing my peanut butter slime. So let's get right into the video, yo. So, I'm going to review my peanut butter slime. I'm so sorry about my hair. Please subscribe to my channel. So yeah, somebody sent me this slime. Well, my friend gave it to me. And it's like yellow, but then it also looks brown a little bit. So yeah, this is really bad footage. So here it is. It's like in this small container, and it's pretty good, pretty stretchy. It's just not the best. Oh, and also if you guys want to be part of the slimy fam, make sure to like go subscribe down below and you'll be part of the slimy fam. So yeah. It has some foam balls. And ew, there's literally a hair. It's like supposed to be a peanut butter slime. Sorry if you guys cannot see me poking it. So here it is. It's not bad, but it is also not great. Thank you for the person who sent me this, or my friend. Oh, so comment down below, guys, if you guys want me to do a Q&A, about myself. So yeah, so I'm gonna like rate this slime. Listen to your pokes. Yummy, turn it down. Sorry guys, my sister's watching Dr. Seuss and I'm in this very weird place. There's some glitter in here. It's super pretty. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. Super nice and cool. Okay guys, so I'm gonna rate it. The pokes. Not really good. The stretchiness, it's like you can stretch it slowly, but it's not really that good. Those are actually really good pokes. I'm gonna change the pokes to a 7 out of 10. The stretchy, a 5 out of 10. And let's see if we can make good wubble bubbles. Or bubbles. No, not really. But let's see if it has any bubbles. Guys, I don't really like it. And I tried adding some lotion and some conditioner because that basically melts it. And it's like still very hard. So comment down below if you want me to do a Q&A. Please subscribe. Let's try to get to 1 million subs. If not, like when I'm gonna do like a video with my friend about, I don't know, but maybe today and I'll upload it. So yeah.